If you're preparing for the DMV motorcycle written test in 2026, this quick quiz is for you. Test your knowledge with 25 important questions, learn the correct answers, and see how ready you are before exam day. Let's get started. Question number 1. While riding on a city street, you notice a vehicle waiting to exit a parking space on your right. What is the safest strategy? A. Move slightly away from the parked vehicle while maintaining awareness of surrounding traffic. B. Accelerate directly past the vehicle without adjustment. C. Sound the horn continuously and maintain position. D. Ride as close as possible to the parked vehicle. Answer: A. Creating space from potential hazards gives you more time to react if the vehicle suddenly enters traffic. Question number 2. A smart rider always looks ahead. Let's see why this habit is so important. Why should a motorcyclist frequently scan far ahead in traffic? A. To avoid using mirrors. B. To identify potential hazards early and plan responses. C. To increase fuel efficiency. D. To reduce tire wear. Answer: B. Looking well ahead allows riders to anticipate changes and avoid sudden maneuvers. Question number 3. Safe cornering starts before the curve. Do you know the right timing? When approaching a curve, when should speed adjustments generally be made? A. After reaching the middle of the curve. B. Only if another vehicle is present. C. Before entering the curve. D. After exiting the curve. Answer: C. Reducing speed before the curve helps maintain stability and control throughout the turn. Question number 4. A simple riding habit that can make a big difference in your safety. Let's see if you know it. What is one advantage of maintaining a visible lane position? A. It eliminates blind spots entirely. B. It guarantees other drivers will yield. C. It increases maximum speed. D. It helps other road users notice the motorcycle. Answer: D. A strategic lane position can improve visibility and reduce the chance of being overlooked. Question number 5. Road hazards can appear suddenly. Let's see if you know the safest way to handle this one. A rider notices gravel scattered across part of the roadway ahead. What is the safest response? A. Increase speed to cross quickly. B. Maintain smooth control inputs and avoid sudden movements. C. Apply maximum front brake immediately. D. Lean aggressively through the area. Answer: B. Gravel can reduce traction. Smooth steering, braking, and throttle use help maintain stability. Question number 6. This final question covers one of the most important motorcycle safety habits every rider should master. Why is maintaining a following distance especially important on a motorcycle? A. Motorcycles require more parking space. B. It allows additional time to react to traffic changes. C. It increases fuel capacity. D. It improves engine cooling. Answer: B. Adequate following distance provides space and time to respond safely to hazards. Question number 7. Riding near large trucks can be challenging. Do you know the biggest danger to watch for? When riding near large trucks, what should a motorcyclist be most aware of? A. Blind spots and wind turbulence. B. Increased motorcycle acceleration. C. Reduced fuel economy. D. Changes in road markings. Answer A. Large vehicles can create strong air movement and have significant blind spots. Question number 8. A good rider doesn't just watch what's ahead. Let's see why checking mirrors matters so much. What is the primary purpose of checking mirrors frequently while riding? A. To improve cornering speed. B. To reduce braking distance. C. To stay aware of traffic conditions behind and around you. D. To increase tire life. Answer C. Mirror checks help riders maintain awareness of nearby vehicles and changing traffic conditions. Question number 9. Weather can change your riding conditions in seconds. Do you know the safest adjustment to make? If rain begins during a ride, what adjustment is most appropriate? A. Ride closer to other vehicles for protection. B. Increase speed to reach the destination sooner. C. Ignore the weather if visibility remains acceptable. D. Reduce speed and allow extra stopping distance. Answer D. Wet roads reduce traction and require greater caution and increased following distance. Question number 10. A simple choice in riding gear can significantly improve your safety. Let's see if you know how. What is one benefit of wearing highly visible riding gear? A. It helps other road users detect the motorcyclist more easily. B. It increases engine performance. C. It shortens stopping distance automatically. D. It eliminates the need for headlights. Answer A. Visibility is critical for motorcyclists, and bright or reflective gear can improve recognition by other drivers. Question number 11. While riding through an intersection, why should a motorcyclist continue scanning for hazards even with the right-of-way? A. Other road users may fail to yield or notice the motorcycle. B. It increases fuel efficiency. C. It improves tire traction. D. It reduces engine temperature. Answer A. Having the right-of-way does not guarantee safety. Riders should always be prepared for unexpected actions by others. Question number 12. What is the safest action if a vehicle begins moving into your lane unexpectedly? A. Accelerate aggressively toward the vehicle. B. Use a planned escape path and adjust speed if necessary. C. Close your eyes and maintain direction. D. Move directly into another lane without checking. Answer B. Riders should continuously identify escape routes and use them when hazards develop. Question number 13. Why is smooth throttle control important while cornering? A. It reduces visibility issues. B. It increases motorcycle weight. C. It helps maintain traction and stability. D. It eliminates blind spots. Answer C. Abrupt throttle changes during a turn can upset balance and reduce traction. Question number 14. When riding in heavy traffic, what is one benefit of maintaining a safety cushion around your motorcycle? A. It increases top speed. B. It reduces fuel consumption automatically. C. It allows faster lane changes. D. It provides more time and space to react. Answer D. Space around a motorcycle gives riders more options if traffic conditions suddenly change. Question number 15. What should a rider do before entering a roadway from the shoulder or roadside? A. Check traffic conditions and merge only when safe. B. Enter immediately before traffic arrives. C. Assume other vehicles will stop. D. Accelerate without looking. Answer: A. Riders must ensure there is sufficient space and time to merge safely. Question number 16. Why should a motorcyclist avoid riding for long periods beside another vehicle? A. It increases tire wear. B. It places the rider in a potential blind spot. C. It decreases fuel efficiency. D. It improves visibility. Answer: B. Staying alongside another vehicle increases the chance that the driver may not see the motorcycle. Question number 17. When approaching a hillcrest where visibility is limited, what is the safest strategy? A. Increase speed to clear the hill faster. B. Move into oncoming lanes for a better view. C. Reduce speed and prepare for unseen hazards. D. Follow the vehicle ahead more closely. Answer: C. Limited visibility means hazards may exist beyond the crest, requiring extra caution. Question number 18. What is a key reason riders should inspect their motorcycle before riding? A. To identify potential mechanical or safety issues. B. To increase engine size. C. To improve road signs visibility. D. To reduce traffic congestion. Answer: A. A pre-ride inspection helps detect issues that could affect safe operation. Question number 19. Why is lane positioning important for motorcyclists? A. It helps maximize visibility and create space from hazards. B. It guarantees right-of-way. C. It increases fuel tank capacity. D. It eliminates the need for signals. Answer: A. Strategic lane positioning improves visibility and helps riders avoid dangerous situations. Question number 20. If strong crosswinds are affecting your motorcycle, what should you do? A. Ignore the wind and maintain maximum speed. B. Grip the handlebars rigidly and make sudden corrections. C. Adjust speed appropriately and make smooth steering inputs. D. Ride as close as possible to larger vehicles. Answer: C. Smooth control and appropriate speed help maintain stability in windy conditions. Question number 21. While riding through a residential neighborhood, you notice a ball roll into the street from between parked cars. What should you anticipate? A. A vehicle backing out immediately. B. A child or pedestrian may follow the ball into the roadway. C. The ball will stop before reaching your lane. D. There is no need to adjust speed. Answer: B. A rolling ball is a common warning sign that a child may unexpectedly enter the roadway. Question number 22. Why is it important for motorcyclists to avoid target fixation? A. Focusing on a hazard can unintentionally cause the rider to move toward it. B. It reduces engine performance. C. It increases braking distance. D. It affects fuel economy. Answer: A. Riders should look where they want to go, not at the hazard they are trying to avoid. Question number 23. What is the safest response if your motorcycle begins to feel unstable due to uneven pavement? A. Accelerate aggressively. B. Apply sudden front brake pressure. C. Maintain a firm grip and make smooth control inputs. D. Turn sharply away from the area. Answer, C. Smooth steering and throttle control help maintain balance and stability over uneven surfaces. Question number 24. When riding at night, why should you increase your following distance? A. Motorcycles require more fuel at night. B. Visibility is reduced, giving less time to detect hazards. C. Traffic laws change after sunset. D. Headlights eliminate the need for scanning. Answer, B. Reduced visibility at night means riders need additional space and time to react safely. Question number 25. What is one of the most effective habits for reducing motorcycle crash risk? A. Riding faster than surrounding traffic at all times. B. Staying in the center of the lane regardless of conditions. C. Depending entirely on protective gear. D. Continuously scanning, anticipating hazards, and planning escape routes. Answer, D. Active observation and planning are key components of defensive motorcycle riding and crash avoidance.